Hello, students. Welcome to another episode of the Pre-Med Hut. My name is the Junior Chemist, and today I will be going over a sample BMAT question from the BMAT 600 textbook. Okay, so this is a textbook that you can get on Amazon for I don't remember the cost, but it's available there. The BMAT is an excellent resource for you to practice for the IMAT exam. Okay, so take advantage here. You when you're considering buying textbooks, focus on those that have IMAT type content. Don't forget, there's also TSA papers available in their website, okay? So all I'm saying is, we'll still have enough time for this test. You don't need to worry. We got this, okay? It is not a big exam. Get that into your head. It is not a big test. It is not difficult at all. Medicine, I'm telling you, medicine is not the hardest major in the universe. I have a friend who studies biochemistry. He's extremely smart. He comes from the same country that I do. Bro, he will crush medical school. Like, if he gets accepted, of course. But all I'm saying is the field is not extremely difficult. So what I'm trying to do here is we're multiplying the numbers, right? So we do x cubed, not x cubed, I'm sorry, x squared times this number right here. That's going to give you 2x to the power of 4 plus x to the x cubed, okay? Now we keep going on the bottom over here. And then we do, these two x's cancel out, so we just put the same number at the bottom. Just like that. Bingo, okay? So 2x, 4, and then we can factor out the x, I suppose. If I remember correctly, and I was solving this problem before, I did it right once, but, x cubed, I think it's like that, right? Yes. And then we can factor out another 2x. I think, yes, we can, no. I'm sorry, let's just do this. 4x minus 1. Ooh, that's perhaps not the right thing to do. I am so sorry. You can factor out the x if you have this one right here, okay? So, learning point here. You need to have the same x's in both numbers if you want to factor it out. But in here, however, if you notice, I only have x on one number. So I cannot take it out, okay? So let me scratch this out, and we can continue working on the bottom, okay? So we factor out x cubed like that, 2x plus 1. Hopefully it is very clear at this point. And then you go back to your alternatives. Okay, it looks here like we need to factor out the 2x plus 1. So we're going to continue on the bottom. I am sorry, let me just move this. Oop. Or we can just do it here. I'm sorry, I'm just not used to this. So x cubed. It'll be okay. There's a way to. I know what we can. 1 second. So I know what we can do now. Okay, so we can factor, there's another thing that you can do here. It's this, I just remembered. You can do this. 2x plus 1 over 2x minus 1, I believe, because it's 2 times 2 is 4, x times x is x squared. Okay, so this is 4x squared. I'm solving it at the bottom. 4x squared, 4x squared, let's see, minus 2x plus 2x, so those two are going to cancel, minus 1. Do you see what's going on here? So these two go out, okay? And look at this! Isn't this so fucking beautiful? I'm sorry for the bad word, but these two can cancel out like that. Crisscross, yes, motherfucker! So now we get this. I suppose that could be the right answer. Let's go back and check. And presto, that's it for my BMAT tutorial. Tune in for more Junior Chemist videos, alright? Bye guys, take care.